For ShipConstructor users, the ability to quickly find and view project part information is key to ensuring efficiency and workflow productivity, regardless of the complexity or scale of a given project. SSI Portal is a centralized, comprehensive, model-based navigation tool that allows users to not only search for parts, assemblies, spools, and drawings within a project using a relationship-focused interface, but also allows ShipConstructor applications to be opened directly from Portal itself, saving time and streamlining design workflows. Portal, first released with ShipConstructor 2024, now provides enhanced features that allow users to more efficiently view and explore every aspect of the project. The Portal interface now allows users to use the Load Manager to refine their searches, view all parts within a model drawing, open parts within drawings directly for both primary, secondary, or additional hierarchies, view revisions with GUIDs for objects, view tasks, zoom directly to parts, view lock statuses and links to parts or assemblies directly locked, and load part views. Furthermore, when integrated with SSI Enterprise Platform Shipbuilding PLM, Portal now supports the ability to both view and navigate spools, assemblies, and drawing details, and includes the ability to navigate directly to drawings, while providing access to associated dialogues for compartments, hierarchies, and other project tools from within Portal. Portal makes use of the Load Manager, so users can easily select any object, assembly, or part type within the project to control the scope of the search being performed. Improve your workflows and increase efficiency within the ShipConstructor environment with SSI Portal, available with the 2024 R1.1 release, available now on SSI Nexus.